Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. It's World Watch lecture of class 5 and we are discussing our unit number 4, that is settlements. In our previous lecture we discussed about settlement, and settlement is a place where people live, and a settlement can be as small as one house and it can be as large as big city with millions of people living there. And types of settlements are city, town, village, farm. For knowing that the living standard of people, these are the types of settlements. And in our previous lecture we discussed why does a place become settled. How does a place become settled? By using fresh water. If fresh water is provided there, good soil is provided there, and the protection from enemies, they are safe. Then forests, if forests are provided there and people want to live in rural areas, people live near forests so they can use the trees to build houses and animal shelters, and wood is also used as fuel for cooking and heating. In our previous lecture we discussed 4 points, and our today's topic is trade. What is trade? Sending goods from one place to another, that is called state, that is called trade. And people mostly want to live on that place, they want to settle on that place where trade system is better, and people can send goods from one place to another easily. And port settlements are also there where ships can enter safely, and that is the example here. Gwadar in Balochistan province has grown as a port city. Which Gwadar is in Balochistan? It's due to that it is a port city because ships can enter safely here and send goods from one place to another. And Lahore in Punjab, Lahore which is in Punjab, grew because it was on an important trade route. Lahore is a very grew growing in every aspect just due to trade route, because trade route is here. And Ranikot Fort in Sindh was built high in the mountains for protection. Ranikot Fort that is built in Sindh high in the mountains for the protection, that is built for the protection. And the ancient town of Mehergarh was a farming town in Balochistan. These are easy and protective ways for trade from one place to another. Okay students, Gwadar port that is in Balochistan, and in Lahore just due to trade route that is growing, and Ranikot fort in Sindh that is built for the protection for trade. And settlements grow wherever there are valuable minerals such as coal or gold to mine, and they also develop where there is stone that can be used for buildings. People mostly want to live on that place where valuable minerals are there, and they can use this stone for using the for building. And landscape and climate matters a lot for living on any place, so people prefer to settle in areas that are suitable for building houses and growing crops. Mostly people want to live on that place where they can build houses easily and they can grow crops. This is why there are more settlements on flat areas of land, and many settlements have grown near places where it is easy to cross rivers. And tourism and leisure settlements often grow near places that tourists visit. Mostly people want to live on that place where tourism and leisure places are, because a lot of people go there for tourism. Because when the people go there for tourism, they need they develop near a mountain climbing area, and they need places to stay and eat. And if the houses are close the tourist visits, then they can stay there and eat, and the settlement develops to serve these people, and they serve the people for their develops. Okay students, and now you will learn all these steps. Why does a place become settled? If fresh water is provided there, good soil is there, and that is protect from enemies, and forests are there, so they can use trees to build houses and animal shelters, and trade system is good, and mining system is good, and climate is suitable for them or not, and area is suitable for building houses and growing crops, and tourism and leisure places, they build their houses near the tourist places, because the tourists or climbers need places to stay and eat, and the settlement develops to serve these people, and in this way the people can increase their facilities for living. Okay students, you will learn this question, that is very easy and important question. I hope you have understood that lecture. Allah Hafiz.